Before you guys get going, I let you go review on your own. Just want to highlight a few things here before I let you go. You got your test tomorrow, obviously. This is day 2 review. If you have any individual questions, call me over. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Remember, we got find the line of reflection. I give you 2 points. You find the line that we reflected over. That's numbers 18 and 19 in the packet. If you're looking for specific problems like that, please have your compass tomorrow. You will have the dilation construction. I'm not going to tell you what the scale factor is, but you can assume it's either going to be 1/2 or 2. All right, 1/2 or 2. So make sure you got your compass and a straight edge tomorrow. 2-4. I said on Friday that only distance formula that you needed. Thinking about it, if you want to find the line of reflection, you're also going to need to know the midpoint. So I'm going to include that as well, distance and midpoint formulas for tomorrow. All right. One thing that I am noticing that some kids are struggling with is these right here. Not the wording, but how to find what you're doing. Like, am I rotating, reflecting, translating? Because it's really a guess and check. So I'm going to give you one huge tip right now, and some of you may know this already, and some of you may not, of how you can eliminate one of the transformations we've talked about. So I pulled this off of number 28 in your packet. I'm not going to go through it with you. I just want to give you a little tip. So you got to describe a sequence. What's that telling me? At least 2, because 1's not going to cut it. So at least 2, that'll help you out. Look at the order of the vertices. Look at the orientation, we called it. If I go from A to B to C back to A, what kind of direction am I going? That's clockwise, right? And that should match up with QRS. What direction am I going here? Q to R to S. That's what type of direction? So this was you guys told me this was clockwise and this was counterclockwise. Guess which transformation is going to be involved? There's only one that changes orientation, and what's that? Yeah, this one has to involve a reflection. If they both went the same direction, you know a reflection is not involved. All right, it's down to rotation and a translation. Make sense? All right, so at least you can figure out if a reflection is involved or not based on the order of the vertices. If it changes orientation, a reflection's involved. If it does not change orientation, no reflection. Rotations and translations only. Good? So a quick tip. Some of you knew that already, I think, but some of you might find that helpful tomorrow, especially when you're trying to figure out what you do. Anything else going? And also, when you are doing this, make sure it works for not only 1 pair of points, but 2 pairs of points. All right, the rule that you get probably will work for 1 pair, but make sure it works for a second pair. At least a second pair. At least. All right. Is there anything else I can help you guys with as a group now on these topics? Anything you want to go over as a full group before I let you go again? Horizontal, y equals, vertical, x equals. Remember. All good? And you guys also have your quiz you can take a look at. Make sure lightning doesn't strike twice. All right. You guys are on your own. I appreciate if you stay right where you are in your groups and don't move around. Call me over if you have questions. All right. Call me over if you need something.